Okay, so hi dear Leo, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a journal of reading for all the Leo, Sun, Moon, Venus rising. Keep in mind this is general, it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from 16th till the 22nd of December and it's valid for every 12 sign that you are dealing with along with your own sign. If it is not resonating, it's not your story, you can just skip the video. Now, if you want to be a tarot card reader like me, you can start by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box and my website link is there. You can check out the workshop, you can check out the self-love ebook, you can check out my course, one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, whatever you feel like, you can connect with me via the links given in the description box. If you have any queries or any issues, you can mail me on tarotanjali@gmail.com. My team will reply for sure. It will take some time. Please be patient. Okay. Now let's see what we have. Leo, let's see your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are. Hierophant. So your person is feeling spiritually connected to you, spiritually connected to this whole dynamic between you and them on some level. They feel like because of this situation, a lot is changing, a lot is shifting in them. Let me clarify the Hierophant. And or they are feeling like they should have a committed kind of deal with you. Let me see. We have the Hanged Man, the Four of Wands, and the Page of Swords. This is someone who feels like they are stuck on the idea of being with you for the rest of their life, but this is someone who is watching you from a distance. It's like someone around you is loving you from a distance, watching you from a distance, and they feel like they're stuck on the idea of being with you for the rest of their life. They feel like you are a husband and or a wife material kind of a person. Wow. And watching you from a distance only. I don't see this person is somebody around you, or they are like a very lovey-dovey kind of a person. This is someone who is kind of like at a distance from you, and they feel like very much attached to the idea of being with you for the long term. Okay, let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Leo? Six of Wands. You feel like working on yourself, your money, your job, your career, your success, your victory, everything about you, everything within you. Okay, should is enhanced right now at this present moment. It's like between you and yourself. Deal between you and yourself. Let me clarify the Six of Wands as your feelings. We have the Knight of Wands, the Ace of Pentacles, the King of Wands. Yeah, you're super enthusiastic, super attractive, super energetic, and you feel like you should have a stable person, stable deal on the table in your life. Until unless you have that kind of energy that's coming towards you naturally, you feel like working on yourself only. Now, even if you're married or connected to somebody, you're super focused on your own energies right now, and you feel like the person, the energy that you're attached to, they should match up with your vibes, they should match up with your energies, and if they can't, you will get you will catch them later or something. Right now you are very much focused on your own energies, your own like creating your own stability, your own success and victory, and focused on yourself as much as you can from your side. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Leo? Hermit. Their intention is to keep their mouth shut. Their intention is to like use their wisdom and experience and knowledge to not to do anything stupid in this direction. Let me clarify the Hermit. We have the Page of Cups, the Page of Wands, the Knight of Cups. Wow. Their intention is to come towards you as a friend, get to know you better and better and better with each passing day, and then offer you some kind of love and relationship kind of a deal. This is their intention, to start with a friendship kind of a deal and convert that friendship kind of a deal into something meaningful, into something that is going to make both of you feel connected to each other on a deeper level. Wow, they got a plan. This person got a plan. Okay, so they want to take it slow and want to know you better and better and better, and once they are going to get to know you better, they want to offer you love. They're already in awe of your energies. They're already in this energy of wanting you for the long term. Let's see, what do you want? What are your intentions? Ace of Cups. You want to keep your energies open towards love and relationship, towards heart to heart communications, heart to heart relationships, heart to heart connections. Let me clarify the Ace of Cups. We have the Emperor, the Four of Cups, the Lovers. You want to make the right choice here, wise and right choice here in your love and relationship area. You just want to take a stand for yourself. See, you want to keep your energies open towards love and relationship, but at the same time, you don't want to be very expressive. You don't want to show everybody, okay, I'm ready for love. No. You just want to open up to the right person, to the right personality, to the right energies. You are like a closed book right now, Leo, where you want to open up to somebody who is going to match with your vibes, with your energies, but you don't want to be too expressive about it. You don't want to be too much in this energy of, okay, I'm open, let's do this. No. Just want to make the right and wise choices in your love and relationship area, and you just don't want any kind of mess up again in this area of your life. Let's see what's coming towards you till the 22nd of December. Eight of Swords, it fell apart. It fell apart. It fell from the deck. See, the thing is, I do see this energy of continuously stressed out about something and feeling like you are in some kind of mental jail, not being able to think positive about something or someone, but can't stop thinking about that situation as well. That is the deal here. Let's clarify that of Swords. We have the Two of Wands, the Five of Swords, the Eight of Wands. It's like you will be waiting continuously for someone to show up so that you guys can have a heart to heart communication, so that you guys can clear the air with each other. Some kind of conflict or rift is going to be there between you and someone who's at a distance from you, and that is going to create a lot of disturbance, mental disturbance in your energies, and you will be waiting for the time when you will be able to clear the air with somebody on a deeper level. You will be like, okay, let me wait for the time when I will be able to connect with that particular person or energy and sort it out with them, because this is someone who means kind of a lot to you, and you also mean a lot to them, but some kind of distance or some kind of disagreement or some kind of maybe um, miscommunication or misinformation is going to create some kind of disturbances between you guys, and both of you will be waiting for the right time to reconnect and to talk to each other, to clear the air with each other. That is the outcome here between you and someone that you are with energetically, maybe. Let me see the guidance for you guys, Leo. We have the Eight of Pentacles. Okay, put in the effort and energy from your side in a situation with all of your heart and soul if you want to go in that direction. If you feel you are not ready, you want more time, you want more healing, you want to focus on yourself, don't even start it. Don't do something with half heart, with half energies. Okay, I will do that because I think I should have somebody by my side. Don't do that for the sake of doing it. Do it only if you feel like you should do it with all of your heart and soul. Otherwise, there's no use of doing this kind of shitty things at all. Please, yeah, make sure you're doing it with all of your heart and soul, no matter what the result is going to be. If you're going to continuously worry about the results, you will not be able to enjoy the present moments that you should, that everyone should, every one of us should, right? That's the main point here, honey. So I guess that's it. So thank you so much for tuning in, Leo. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.